With WebLink, you can watch your favorite YouTube videos right on your vehicle screen. Open the YouTube app to see what's trending now. Then tap on any video to instantly start watching. Explore other sections of the YouTube app using the top bar drop-down, and then tapping Home. Browse videos by category, such as music, gaming, and more. To find something specific, tap Search. Then enter what you're looking for. To see what's currently playing, tap Now Playing. From here, you can watch your videos and access your player controls. To see what's playing next, tap List. Personalize your experience by signing into your account. Using the WebLink Host app, go to Accounts. Then tap the YouTube toggle button and continue to sign in. Once signed in, you can use the top bar drop-down in the YouTube app to browse through your liked videos, playlists, and subscriptions. Note that for safety reasons, YouTube is not available while driving. Enjoy your ride! Visit helloweblink.com to learn more.